Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage friendship of any chat or any account you want on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on this chat icon here, now click hold on any chat you want, and here you will find manage friendship. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your friendship, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.